Unboxing the Ultra Premium Bittersweet Hampers. They contain various Ramadan cookies. First, Putri Salju cookies. Second, Nastar cookies. Third, Palem sugar cheese cookies. Lastly, Castangle cookies. The hampers are now available at Bittersweet's offline and online stores as
Meh.
KFBL. San Pellegrino. San Benedetto.
Great.
New Zealand RIP AI. Australia. Blade. Indonesia. Striplo. Ada. So long.
Great. Yeah. Great.
Date. Crystal Mukbang. Mukbang. Dadahulung. Es buah. awesome. Eat small bourgeois egg in various ways. First, simply fried. If you're looking for a crunchy, savory, and addictive, tajil simul bourgeois egg is the answer. Chicken fried with eggs. Simul bourgeois egg can be created into various tajil menus that are practical, fun, and appetizing. Like this one. Perfect for breaking the fast. Third, topped with chocolate ink. If this is just like ice cool, but the simul version, it turns out it tastes delicious too. In short, you must try this simple simul bourgeois creation.
Awesome.